who will go to sleep when I wasn't famous for going to bed early. So I never stayed up for, the late night parties because beauty sleep is really important. About upgrading himself and his kingdom and saying that you don't know anything, you listen to me, I'll tell you what to do. It's just, we're just badly behaved girls in the show.
सिबलिंग्स में लड़ाई होना बहुत आम है, लेकिन क्या हो अगर आपका एक सिबलिंग नहीं बल्कि 4 रियल लाइफ बहनें हो? जी हाँ दोस्तों, 4 sisters who are actually fighting or better have not talked to one another for more than a decade. लेकिन अब वो एक फैमिली ड्रामा में वापस आती हैं, अपने घर वालों को मिलती हैं एंड रादर वो लड़ रही है सिर्फ एक बड़े टाइटल के लिए। कौन बनेगी शिखरवती? Well, yes, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, and today I would love to welcome Kritika Kamra, who is one out of the top 4 actresses who are going to be a part of this series. Let's see what Kritika has to talk about her character, her fun ride with Naseeruddin Shah, and a lot more fun tales only from the sets of Kaun Banegi Shikhar-Vati.
Well, firstly, welcome to T Chakkar, and I am excited today to watch, the finally Shikhar-Vati, Kaun Banegi Shikhar-Vati, because, I watched the trailers, I talked to the cast, and now I'm having here Kritika with me. Kritika, firstly, welcome to T Chakkar. If I ask your experience, because a jam-packed cast, so many ensemble of people out there, good characters out there. What was your experience? How was your experience?
I had a lot of fun. It was like this one big part. We had to get up and have fun and we got paid for it. I mean, what else can you ask for? So, like you said, it's a great people, great cast crew. It doesn't happen. It's very rare that you meet a group of people and every single person is vibing with each other and every single person is on the same page and you become great friends with all of them. So this was actually like going out there and finding friends like family. So
I have this one very intriguing question, because 4 leading characters and ladies and I'm sure when you were giving an audition you might have thought about some other character, may or may not, I can't be sure. But then was it like this, that you were hoping for some other character but then you landed up the character that you're playing? Was it like this, or you wanted to play the character that you're playing?
I wanted to play my character. I was very, very there were a few reasons to do this show. Of course, sharing space with actors, with legendary actors like Naseeruddin Shah and Raghuveer Ji, is like, you ask any actor and be like, this is something you would not let go. The other reason was my character. I think my character is the craziest of the lot. She's shallow, she's annoying, she's self-obsessed, she doesn't care about anybody. It is just so much fun playing a character like that, because otherwise, I've always played characters that are good girl characters, and this one is not. So I really wanted to play her because she's so much fun, and I just found her extremely funny and silly. Like when I used to read her lines also, I used to be like, how ridiculous is this person? I wish I never meet her in life, So there was no other character I wanted to play.
But then what was your first perception when you met the ladies out there? Anya hogi, Lara hogi, Soha hogi. What was the first ice-breaking moment that you had with them?
So we're all so different people, right? We come from like different backgrounds. We're of course like different, like you rightly said, different age groups, and so different from each other. I didn't think we'd get along so well. We've become such good friends. We hang out so much. I mean, the show is over, shoot खत्म हो चुकी है 2020 से, but हम लोग अभी भी मिलते रहते हैं. We catch up for dinners. We have a WhatsApp group which is an absolute riot. The group is a crazy group. It's called Roop Singh after Roop Singh, who's in the show, and it's just a lot of fun hanging out with them. It's actually like finding sisters for life. So I am really, really happy that I got to meet them, and I'm so happy it was us, the 4 of us, because we got along from the word go, from the very first day.
What about the men? What about Nafisa? What about Iris or the others out there who were there along with you? How are they working with?
They're all great. It's fun because all the meal leaders, so we used to meet for dinner every day. By the end of it, everybody knew everything about everybody. Like their habits, what time, who eats what, who will go to sleep when. I wasn't famous for going to bed early, so I never stayed up for the late night parties because beauty sleep is really important for Princess Kamini, as you can see.
Yes.
So, and I also, because I used to take so long for hair and makeup, because I've done like crazy hairstyles, so many styles. I'm always wearing I'm wearing a blue eyeliner with my night suit, purple eyeshadow with my gym wear. Like, it's bizarre. My character is just crazy. Makeup wise also, because she's this Instagram influencer who thinks that she's just going to be camera ready all the time. So I used to take a long time to change, and every change used to, like, different outfits in a day meant 1 hour getting ready for each look. So I used to go and sleep, but these guys used to just keep partying. Lots of great conversation with Naseer Saab about life, about art, about films, what fun it was. And Raghuveer ji used to he plays the flute beautifully.
Yeah.
Beautifully.
I got to know.
I used to play the flute sometimes at dinner. Just sitting with everybody, laughing, cracking jokes. Cyrus is hilarious. Anything he says is just so funny. Varun is a stand-up comic. So, so he's also really funny. So it was just this bunch of people was just, it was like I said, it was a party every day.
But tell me one thing honestly, Kritika, when I will, let's say, for example, ever in life, if I get to meet Naseer sir or somebody of his stature, let's say Amitabh ji or maybe even Shah Rukh Khan, I might just get a little speechless for, let's say, a second. I am an aam insan, but you are a celebrity yourself. So have you ever been starstruck working with someone or maybe, meeting someone?
It's not about aam insan or celebrity or anything. I mean, anybody would be starstruck meeting Naseer Saab or all these people that you just named. They're absolutely legendary, right? But see, the thing is that the thing with Naseer Saab is that he's very he makes sure that you don't feel this. So
wow.
So you don't feel this aura. So at times, one would forget. And of course, in the scene, you're your character, and our characters are all very badtameez. Mine is especially badtameez. Like my one-on-one scene with Naseer Saab, I am actually giving him unsolicited advice about upgrading himself and his kingdom, and saying that you don't know anything, you listen to me, I'll tell you what to do. It's just, we're just badly behaved girls in the show. So we had to, you can't do that being nervous, you can't perform being nervous. So that when you're performing, different thing. But of course, in life and all, suddenly when you're sitting with somebody, there are those moments when you're like, oh my god, this is surreal, this is the Naseeruddin Shah you're sitting with here. So that realization just comes and goes. But otherwise, it was all very easy. The fact that we were living together and also meeting everybody, like I said, for meals, we're playing TT with him, we're going on walk with him, we're all sitting and eating together. So we spent so much time together that there was familiarity on set. So it wasn't like you suddenly reached the set to face senior actor. We had already spent time with them.
People have we seen who have jumped from television and then made a knack for them in Bollywood and then also in web. That's good by God's grace. Stars have been in your favor. You have worked really hard, and today you are at a place where you have fans, you have supporters, you have followers, and also you're doing pretty good work. How does the feeling feel? Like, does it still feel surreal to be where you are today? Do you feel like, do you pinch yourself sometimes to just feel that, okay, I have made it where I am?
No, I feel like there's a long way to go. I am very grateful for how things have happened and for the shifts that I have been able to make. They've taken time. It's not been a cakewalk exactly, but now, I mean, the place that I'm in right now, I'm very happy with that. I think I'm very happy with the work that I'm doing on also. It's going a bit slow because of the general situation, because of the pandemic and shoots, but that's happening with everybody. So that's not just me. Apart from that, I think I have no complaints right now. I have in fact become more of a risk taker. I think I would like to do more challenging things that I just want to be able to put out more work now. So I've known to be choosy. I take too much time, I take breaks, but I think that is also slowly changing. So yeah, no complaints right now. Lot to thank.
Are you like a big critic of your own work? Do you criticize your work? Do you watch yourself?
I cringe watching myself. I cringe. But that's from the beginning.
Why so?
That's from the beginning. I can't help it. I have made peace with that now. It's like from the beginning. For as long as I have acted, I've just I hear my voice and I'm like, oh my god. I look at myself and like, oh my god, can I do this again? Can we just go back and reshoot this whole thing? I'm just I'm not happy.
Okay, but then in that case, how do you take these feedbacks that you get from, let's say, the fans? Sometimes they support you, sometimes they do not like the work. So उनका feedback आप कैसे देखती हैं?
मैं सब कुछ पढ़ती हूँ. I read when it's about my work. I read everything. When it's about my opinions online, I don't read any reactions. Because then I'm like, everybody's free to say whatever they want to. I'll say what I want. They can say what they want. But work, I read everything. I read all reviews. I read all kinds of feedback. And I think feedback that comes from people who don't know you personally is generally very valuable. Because they don't really, care about how you feel. They're just going to say it as it is. And I like it. I like that. I like to know what people think. I also usually rely on my directors. So I think the feedback that I get from them, which is almost instant, which is on shoot itself, means a lot to me. So yeah.
In that regard, अगर आप अपने काम की बहुत बड़ी critic हैं, apart from you, who is that one person who's very difficult to please about your work? Maybe your parents.
I am actually surrounded by very, very kind. My family and friends are kind. I don't know. They like my parents watch anything I'm in and they think I can do no wrong. They just think. I never get any real feedback from my parents because they just love everything I do. And it's also really like encouraging, and days that you feel low, of course, then you want this energy in life that somebody tells you that you're the best, beta.
Perfect. The last thing I want to know here is because we just came starting a new year, and unfortunately we're back in the lockdown situation right now. But any resolutions that you made that you would be breaking or you would be following it?
No resolutions. Yeah, the way these last 2 years have been, there's no point of making any resolutions because nothing goes as per plan. And I am just I was really hoping that 2022 would not bring us back to this lockdown life, but it's here again. Now there's no resolution. I just hope that this gets.
Keeping my fingers crossed. Any parting words for the fans? Because I'm sure they're gonna be caught up this weekend binge watching Kaun Banegi Shikharwati.
I hope that Kaun Banegi Shikharwati makes you laugh. I hope that people enjoy it. It's just, the show is just crazy fun. It's a break from everything else. If you just want to sit with your family and have a good laugh, I think that's the intention behind the show, and I hope that happens. Apart from that, I just want to say that stay safe, don't let your guard down. A lot of people around me have tested positive. We are already seeing the numbers. Hopefully it is mild this time. Hopefully this is what will end the pandemic, as some people are saying. But the one thing that we know about this virus is that we can't be sure of anything. So let's just be safe and ride through this.
Well, it was a pleasure having you. I wish you all the luck for the upcoming projects and also for Kaun Banegi Shikharwati. Kritika, it was a pleasure having you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much guys for watching today's start session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज मेरी मेहमान थी Kritika Kamra. I really hope that you guys will love watching Kritika's journey in Kaun Banegi Shikharwati as much as she enjoyed shooting for it. Until then, this is me signing off for now. You do stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.